Another breakfast meeting, another power play in Karnataka, nudged by the High Command to look united. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and his deputy sat down for yet another breakfast meeting. Handshake, smiles and a carefully laid out spread of piping hot idli and chicken curry. Breakfast at D.K. Shivakumar's home today was the second time in the last 3 days that the duo released an obligatory all is well photo to signify unity. The venue and the menu may have changed, but the script has not. Let's take you through what happened today. And as we speak, we're given to understand.
There were no differences.
Yes, sir.
Myself and D.K. Shivakumar, we were united. We unitedly run the government. In the future also, we will run the government unitedly.
All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. We're learning that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy CM D.K. Shivakumar will head to the national capital soon, as a dinner meeting is lined up with all the MPs, Karnataka MPs in New Delhi on the 8th of December. So now, after the breakfast meeting, the CM and DCM will head to the national capital. We have Neha and Pratibha joining us in the broadcast. Let's go across to Neha for the inputs. So not just a visit to the national capital, but we're given to understand there are engagements lined up. Both leaders would be dining with Karnataka MPs on the 8th of December.
Well, Swati, that's right. We heard from the Chief Minister earlier this morning where he said that on December 8th, the first day of the Winter Assembly session, that he would in fact, wrap up the Winter Assembly session, and he, along with the Deputy Chief Minister, would be taking all of the MPs from the state of Karnataka, both from the opposition as well as from the ruling party, to Karnataka Bhavan in Delhi, and holding a meeting with them on the issues that need to be raked up. Remember, of course, even as the parliament currently is underway, many of the opposition MPs right now, and of course the ruling also, are already in Delhi. So it does seem like, of course, at this point that they are going to be holding a meeting. When we asked what this meeting would be about, it was categorically, of course, said that this would be to discuss issues of the state. All of this, of course, coming now amidst how the Chief Minister also has a separate meeting planned with K.C. Venugopal at an event, at a college event. But questions, of course, now are going to arise about whether their travel to Delhi together to hold this meeting in Karnataka Bhavan would also then entail them possibly meeting with the High Command later. Remember, they would have to rush back now by the 9th of December itself, because the Karnataka Assembly session would be underway. So it's likely to be a very short, brief visit to Delhi on the 8th of December.
All right. And then, of course, the most important question that everyone is asking and waiting for, will D.K. Shivakumar be the next Chief Minister? In fact, that question was posed to the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah. And this is how he responded.
ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳದಲ್ಲ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳದಲ್ಲ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಹೇಳದಲ್ಲ.
More breaking inputs coming in amid the power tussle in Karnataka. The Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. Siddaramaiah, has sparked political chatter with his latest remark where he said nothing is permanent in politics. And the statement made during a key interaction has set off speculation about possible shifts within the Congress camp and the ongoing power dynamics between Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar. Let's go across to Pratibha. Before that, in fact, let's listen in to Siddaramaiah saying politics isn't permanent. Let's go across to Pratibha. She continues to be with us on the broadcast. The latest comments, there are going to be a lot of speculations and everybody is going to interpret it their own way. Is he already waving the white flag? Does he know that there's going to be a change and he's saying, it's not permanent and whatever will happen, we'll see, the High Command will decide?
Absolutely, Swati, because this is the first time ever and there has been a huge stance in how Siddaramaiah has been answering these questions. So it's a big moment because all these days, up until even just 2 weeks ago, every time Siddaramaiah was asked on, when the next Chief Minister will be, he would always say that for that the CM chair has to be empty and now I'm the Chief Minister, I will be here for the entire 5-year tenure. So the Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah has always maintained that he will be the Chief Minister for the entire 5-year tenure. But now you see a change in his response where he goes on to say that it is the High Command that will decide. And this was a very pointed question where the reporter asked him, when will DK Shivakumar become the Chief Minister? And instead of saying that, as of now the CM chair is not empty, we'll see what happens later, he says the High Command will decide. So this is the biggest giveaway that, yes, there have been discussions on the rotational CM agreement that DK Shivakumar has hinted at time and again. And now perhaps there could be a change in Karnataka, which is why now he's saying that the High Command will decide and DK Shivakumar will become the Chief Minister when the High Command gives its go-ahead. So all eyes will be on this meeting that's expected on 8th. They're going to be in the national capital. So what happens there? What is the decision that will be taken? That will be interesting to see. Siddaramaiah giving a hint that there could perhaps be a change in Karnataka.
Absolutely. Perhaps they have some inkling, and we have to keep looking for these hints in the statements that are coming in from the leaders. But let's also look at how the BJP is responding. They are monitoring everything very, very carefully, closely, looking for opportunities.
Basavaraj Bommai, who is the former Chief Minister of Karnataka, is joining us. Sir, the breakfast meeting जो चल रही है उसको लेकर क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर?
ब्रेकफास्ट मीटिंग तो एक नाटक है, ये तो इंटरव्यू अभी पिक्चर बाकी है.
Only it is a temporary arrangement because from 8th December there is a session going on in the Belagavi State Assembly session. So for that purpose, the interim arrangement, infighting is going on. If all the problems are solved, why CM and DCM has to sit together and DK has to announce. Siddaramaiah is 5 years CM. He has to continue, and I have no objection. Then all the problems will be solved.
ये सब कुछ एक नाटक है. That's how the BJP is responding. Let me go across to Neha. Neha, from breakfast to now dinner, from state to now the national capital, are things on course?
Well, Swati, for long now, we've seen how the BJP has been taking pot shots at the government, particularly saying that, the entire CM's chair fight has taken so much prominence right now that the government has completely forgotten about administration, about development, about people's issues, and now going on to say that, this is all, of course, just an eyewash, ki sab natak hai, is the words of Basavaraj Bommai there. We'll really have to wait and see. Whenever we posed a question, whether to the Chief Minister or to the Deputy Chief Minister about this, saying the BJP is alleging that development has taken a back seat, that y'all are too focused on the CM's chair fight, they've said that the problem in fact lies within the quarters of the BJP, that there's too much infighting within their own party in Karnataka, and not knowing how to, of course, handle that. They're now pointing fingers at us. Of course, Swati, while we may speculate, at the end of the day, 8th December, a very key date when both leaders would be travelling to Delhi. We'll keep an eye out on how that meeting pans out. And if at all they finally get to meet the High Command, that appears right now at least to not be meeting them.
All right, keep tracking all the developments then. Neha and Pratibha, thank you very much for getting us the inputs. With that, we are taking a very short break. Lot more lined up on the other side.